Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So where do we left earlier? I believe we did this one. So on to the next kind of problem. These are doing something with the leaves. So 1325 lead code 1325 medium level problem, and if we have hint, that means it is going to be tougher, or at least that's what I believe. And delete leaves with a given value. Well, we have given a binary tree and an integer target. Delete all leaf nodes with value target. That once you delete a leaf node with the value target, if its parent node becomes a leaf node, wait a minute, if its parent node becomes a leaf node and has the value target, should also be deleted. You need to continue doing that until you cannot. Okay, I guess that is good, and let's go. For that, let's define a DFS, I mean function, where it takes a node, and if not node, return if not node dot left or node dot right, then it is a leaf node. If node dot value equals to target, if DFS of node dot left, sorry, left, right. I have to know before I touch I remove 2 from here, and I have to remove 2 from here too, and that too as soon as left. Let's see what. So two, if I pop it out, then I believe we'll get a one and one, three, two, three false. So I go left, I go to the leaf node, and if it returns true, and I go back, I shall means it should be uh, actually left and right will be false. Now if we'll check, let's see if this works. Well, seems like it is working fine. Now the target is 3. We remove this 3, and this is not a leaf node, so we remove this 3 too. So 1 triple 2. What about a case when we have no target at all? Well, seems like it is working fine. So let's try submitting it. If it works fine, let's start discussing the intuition. Well, that's what I thought. 49. Well, this is a edge case. This is a case when we get, we have to empty the thing completely. If not node, we don't have the left and the right, and node value equals target, then we will get a true. If the root node is only the leaf node, then we guess now it will go fine because we have cleared all of them. 49. We have two more to go. Well, now it seems like it is working fine, but it's not an optimal solution, I guess. Let's see what others are doing. Well, they are doing the same thing, if not left. Okay. If root dot left equals none and root dot right equals none and root dot right equal to target, return false. If DFS DFS of root true. Well, the solution that's taking the first position, which is 100% optimal, is same as ours. So Let's stop discussing the intuition. So the intuition is simple here. We are doing a DFS, depth first search, and if we hit then we return false. That means there are no, there is no left or right nodes we are referring here, and it will return false if it is the root node, and if it is the leaf, I'm a bit wrong here. So if we reach at the end, it will return false, which we are writing here, and it will not try to remove any values here because there is no left or right there. And if there is a left, if there is no left and no right, that means it is the node is a leaf node. And here we are returning if the root node is equals to the target, then we'll return true, or else it will return false. And if it is not a leaf node, it will return false. So before checking this out, we are checking the left and right. If left and right returns true, then we are removing the left and right nodes, which makes the current node a leaf node. And if the current node is, well, it will become a leaf node, and this if condition will be triggered for sure. And if the value is target again, then it will remove it again recursively, or else it will return false later. And by the time it reached the end, if DFS returns true, that means we got all the way up towards the root, and we have to remove the root value as well. So we are returning none instead of removing anything. And here we are returning root if this condition was not returned. So guys, I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, of course you can share it with your friends, and feel free to comment and ask doubts so that both of us would improve ourselves. I by taking a feedback, and you by taking a hint or maybe a feedback in return. So thank you for choosing the channel again, and we'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep learning guys.